What first got me interested in the PTECH program was that it felt like a challenge for me.
I was really interested, especially because they offered a free associate's degree that I graduated with my high school diploma. So that was really one of the big factors for me.
When the opportunity came of PTECH that you could actually make something of yourself before graduating high school, I jumped on the opportunity.
My career goals are to get a job in engineering.
Having class at OCC is very nice. All the teachers are really great and you have a lot of freedom.
They're always pushing me to do my best at OCC and in high school, and it's moving me through college.
I've been just using some different programs that tend to just electrical engineering in general. We've been doing different things with binary and just, it's mainly just number conversions and things like that.
I teach Machine Tools 1. I've been an engineer for 20 years. PTECH students are a lot of fun. You know, they're in high school still, so they're learning a lot about college and about the experience. And then we really try to get them excited about how their future could be based on the degree they're getting.
I teach Machine Tools 1 and 2. I teach manufacturing processes and metallurgy. We get the best of both worlds. We get kids that have a young, absorbent mind, and we get to them early and convince them, hey, you know, there's really a huge opportunity in the world out there to do more than just sit behind a desk.
What I like best is when the light comes on behind the eyes. It's like all of a sudden, and they say, ah, I understand that. That's really nice. And it doesn't happen every day, it doesn't happen every class, but it happens often enough to keep me coming back.
You'd be going to high school and taking college courses at the same time. That's probably going to make my resume stand out in the future.
I've always been interested in how things are made and how things are kind of what makes a building per se, how it's put together.
My interest in the PTECH program was just engineering, hands-on work.
My career goals are to work at Exelon as a nuclear engineer.
My career goals are mainly just to do something along the lines of either chemical engineering or nuclear engineering.
I love the hands-on part of just putting things together.
How to draw on Autodesk.
Even our English classes, my sister last year was in 11th grade and I was in 9th grade and I was taking the same English Regents as she was. So I mean, just the higher level of education in just such a younger year, it's been a lot to learn.
It's hard, but if you push yourself and you work hard, you will get it.
Industry partners will come into the PTECH program and they'll talk to us about job opportunities and different openings that they have.
So it's kind of cool though to hear what they do for a living and kind of how our program could get us to where they're at, or they tell us their personal experiences. So that gives you a better actual hands-on idea of what they're going through and what they do for their job. So it's kind of nice because you have someone to figure stuff out and talk to that actually does it every day. So it's pretty cool.
And each company has a set of mentors that will help guide the students through, and you'll meet once a month.
The person I have is from Novellas. He comes in and he just talks to me about how things are actually going to be in the real world and how I'm going to have to get my butt in gear right now to be ready for when I'm in the position of getting a job with him.
I definitely don't think I would have reached those goals had I not set them with my industry partner mentor.
The extracurricular activities, I am involved with swimming varsity.
I play volleyball in the fall, I ice skate in the winter, and I play softball in the summer.
I'm in the Hannibal Drama Club.
My passion is to play football and just have a lot of friends.
I do robotics at Sandy Creek. It's a competitive Vex robotics team. PTECH always buses us home in time, so I'm never late, and they're really supportive through it.
I play volleyball and I play soccer and I run track. And PTECH has been very good at making sure that I get where I need to be on time so I can be there with my team.
I am from APW, which stands for Elmore Parish Williamstown.
I'm from Central Square.
I am from Fulton, the City School District.
Hannibal School District.
I'm from Mexico.
I'm from Oswego.
Phoenix.
I'm from Pulaski Academy in Central Schools.
I am from Sandy Creek.
We are PTECH.
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 We are PTECH.